powered home products won't just make your life easier, they will literally eliminate the need for a housekeeper. And if you're the housekeeper, this is great news. Expensive home gadgets are really getting out of the hand because of their advanced AI technology. But when my friend called me over to come and test her new Narwal home cleaner, you better believe I ran. In this non-sponsored and non-biased video, because I didn't even buy the item, I'm going to be talking to you guys about what the Narwal system is, how it works, what AI features it has, and if $1,200 is worth the investment to keep your home clean. And stay to the end to see a cost breakdown of what it would cost to hire a housekeeper versus buying the Narwal floor cleaning system. And I'll be honest with you guys, the results actually surprised me. My friend lives in a home that has guests over almost daily. And with the addition of 11 new puppies a few weeks ago, her usual cleaning routine is completely unrealistic right now. So she told me she had a friend come visit her, and this friend looked around and happened to ask her if she had a housekeeper. And my friend was kind of like confused. No, should I? At which point her friend proceeds to take out her phone and show her their housekeeper. She raved so highly about the system that my friend went ahead and ordered it that same day. So the Narwal floor cleaning mop is apparently the world's first fully automated 2-in-1 mop and vacuum system. Think of like a Tinaco mop if you're familiar with it, except for this does not require human hands to actually operate it. The app that the Narwal comes with mapped out her entire house, and she was able to set specific parameters for every area. She could set a cleaning schedule and also map out the areas that had carpeting in her house. The beauty of this product is that the water tank is filled up only once, and the machine self-empties and refills throughout its cleaning. The cleaning solution it came with is also refilled once every few months or so. So as far as being hands-off, the Narwal exceeded my expectations. But none of these things matter unless you get results, right? So during my 2-hour stay, Martha, as my friend so lovingly called her robot, she swerved between chairs and coffee tables and rolled over rugs with ease. She went over the same spot at least 3 times as if she wasn't satisfied with the care that she provided the first 2 times. In between conversations and coffee, she went in and out of the docking station, emptying her dirty tank and then refilling with clean water and starting again. In the middle of her clean, I couldn't help but get a closer look at her features. I lifted her up and I saw that for a house with 2 adult golden retrievers and 11 puppies, the tangle-free brush was truly free of any kind of tangles or pet hair. The spinning cloths were easy to take off and detach to throw in the wash, and my absolute favorite feature was the fact that the size of the dirty water tank meant that I would not have to empty it every single day. Every part of the docking station was sleek, easily accessible to keep clean. I think my favorite part about the app was that it showed me the level of clean and it constantly updated it. It also showed me the time left in each cycle and when it would go make a dirty water dump next. Oh, and get this, it doesn't just fill up with clean water, it also takes the time to rinse the mop heads, agitating them on a plastic plate each time that it refills with clean water so that you're mopping with clean mop heads every single time. And if you never ever want to spend the time replenishing with clean water, it does come with a system like a washing machine where you can hook it up to the main water line and you never basically have to fill it up with clean water ever again. Now, if you've used any type of 2-in-1 mop system, you know that the pads get that funky smell, and after a while, no matter how much you really like wash it, because it's sitting on that docking station not being cleaned, the mop heads tend to get that funky mildew smell. However, with this new Narwal system, you are actually able to dry the mop heads in the docking station, so no more funky smells. But wait, $1,200 for clean floors? Well, let me put it this way. Since we're already comparing it to a housekeeper, let's break down the cost of what it is compared to hiring a housekeeper. If on average you have the Narwal running for, let's say, 2 hours a day, and let's just say it's about twice as long to have the robot clean the floors versus having a person clean them. So we would equate that to about 1 hour per day if a housekeeper were to mop the floors every day. On average, a housekeeper charges about $40 per hour. And if you're running the Narwal every single day, that's $40 times 30 days. So the total would be exactly $1,200 for 1 month of paying somebody to come and wash your floors for 1 hour every single day. Now imagine if you would actually have it running even more than just that. So in reality, even though $1,200 is a lot to put up front, if having squeaky clean floors is super important to you, but you don't want to be the one doing it, then realistically, this machine pays for itself in just 1 month. But nothing I said in this video is actually useful to you if you don't want to spend $1,200 to simplify your life. Well, I have great news for you. You can leverage the power of ChatGPT AI to hack your life as a mom for free. And I explain it all in this video right here. Check it out for a free downloadable guide. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one.